So I want to answer some common questions that come up, with that CSV file. Um, so can I upload additional data for the same clients after the initial import? Yes, you can. Although what might happen sometimes is that when TaxDome identifies that there is a contact already existent and you add additional data to that line, it can create a duplicate contact because maybe this second contact had a different phone number, so it'll detect it as a whole independent contact. So yes, you can do that, but you can always merge any duplicates, and we'll cover that later today. What's the best practice for managing family accounts? For example, spouses. As we saw earlier, it's best to create a name that all of your contacts will be under. It's kind of like an umbrella that everybody's under. So Simpson, comma, Marge, and Homer, that's the best account name that you can do. It's also up to you if you want to say Marge and Homer Simpson. You don't have to have the last name first. You can have a comma in there. That's really up to you how the account name needs to be set up. How do I map multiple phone numbers to a single account? Yesterday, we covered something called custom fields. If you add a custom field called second phone number, you can add a second phone number. You can add a third phone number and call it third phone number. The possibilities are endless when it comes to adding any additional information. How do I create a CSV file from popular tax software like Drake? Each software is different. You need to double check with that tax software what is the best way to export CSV files. However, we do have in our Help Center a large amount of common tax softwares that are popular to export from. So you can type in your software name in our Help Center by clicking on the question mark Help section and typing in that information of your software. That information should pop up. And if it doesn't, you want to try your best to reach out to your software provider and see how you can export those files. Can I use the name? Can I use the name email for multiple accounts? The same email for multiple accounts. I'm sorry. Um, you can use the same email for multiple accounts if you have the same contact. So again, as we copied Marge Simpson because she was part of the music store now, um, her line has the same email address. So essentially by doing that, Marge will only have one email address she'll use to log into TaxDome. TaxDome will say, "Hi Marge, do you want to log into Homer and Marge Simpson account or do you want to log into the music store?" So ideally, you want to keep the same email. Now, if you say that husband and wife have the same email address, that is not accurate. You do want independent email addresses per contact. The contact can be multiplied, can keep the same email, but husband and wife or, brother-in-law or whatever other person in your list cannot have the same email as a whole different contact. There will be an error that the email already exists. So please review that all of the emails are accurate. All right, so let's continue with the import process.